I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act deliberately. Park and set the parking brake, then sit in the driver's seat. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. This powers the dash. Make sure the odometer reads trip A. Press the trip button until trip appears. Once done, press and hold the odometer/trip button for about 10 seconds until the maintenance light begins to flash or the screen shows a reset prompt. This starts the reset sequence. Now continue the procedure. When the maintenance message blinks or a wrench icon appears, release the trip button briefly and then press and hold it again for 5 to 10 seconds to confirm. You're telling the car to clear its interval data. Watch the display carefully. It should count down or show dashes and then 0000, or the wrench icon will vanish. Once the readout shows the reset code or clears, release the button. Finish up by turning the ignition off, then start the engine to verify the maintenance light is gone. If the light remains, don't panic. Repeat the reset sequence from trip A or switch to trip B and try the same steps. Make sure you held the button long enough during confirmation. Timing matters. If multiple attempts fail, the system may need a dealer scan or there could be a stored fault. Consult the owner's manual or a technician to read codes and resolve underlying issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.